Afternoon guys, James from Advanced in Car. So we're at the end of another fab day here in Poole, and Richard's been working on this Skoda Enyaq, brand spanking new. It's the 5A chassis and it's coming to us today for factory Highline reversing camera and the front optical parking sensors. So the rear parking sensors are fitted from factory. In a lot of these cars they are just audible sensors, and we need to then upgrade them to the front parking sensor module to then unlock other features and the optical. But this particular customer also went for the replacement panel and the dashboard, which we'll show you, but first of all we'll jump round to the back and show you the Highline camera. You're going to start to see a lot more of these on the roads. This is an electric vehicle. Of course, they've got really good range. They're an SUV. They're really big and comfortable. Loads of mod cons. A whopping great big screen on the dashboard and it's high res, high tech, loads of cool stuff. One thing this hasn't got, incidentally, that we have done a lot of recently is the electric tailgates. So if you open the boot, that's it. Now, of course, the last time we did a video was called Double Trouble, and that was the two Skoda Enyaqs in for electric tailgate retrofit. But this particular vehicle is coming for the genuine Skoda Highline reversing camera. So up in the boot lid here, Richard has tied it all in with the washer jet system, so that with vehicle cleaning or with the camera cleaning, that will then come out on the jet on the reversing camera up here. How effective it is, up to you to decide, but it's better than not, and you can always give your camera a wipe over. All the cabling gets taken in down to the front of the car, and then of course the most important bit with all of these modern cars is what they call the SFD unlock procedure. It's the way that the VAG group, Volkswagen, Audi, Seat, Skoda, are locking down their modules to stop people from getting in and doing stuff. Now, most of the time you need to have main dealer approved diagnostic equipment to be able to get in and unlock it, but it's just another headache for us retrofitters because it's quite complicated, quite complex to go in and do. Anyway, we'll just jump round to the front because I've talked about the sensors but we haven't shown you. We'll have a quick scan around of the sensors and then we'll jump in the car. Big old bumper to come off here, but you'll see that the sensors don't look any different to as if it came from the factory, and that's what we work hard for. Two central ones are grille mounted, normally a plastic grille, plastic mount goes in, clips in, and the matte black or gloss black sensor sits in there, no problem at all. The two outside sensors here are painted by the body shop. Richard uses then a hole cutter, VAG hole cutter to go in, flush mount, glued in, nice and professionally done. All looks really, really good. And then the cables run into the through the bulkhead into the cabin of the car and then to the actual parking module itself, which then gets replaced because it's originally a factory one. And now we'll jump in and show you what it looks like on the big screen. Right, so this is how modern cars are going to be. This is just ridiculously massive, this screen, and it's great because a lot of the newer cars now are just coming out with all futuristic setups. But incidentally, the instrument cluster or the dashboard here, the virtual cockpit, is actually really small. But this screen, which is your infotainment and everything else, is just everything that you need. So if I was to put the car into reverse, just a quick flick back, we get the reversing camera that comes up on the display like so. Usual Volkswagen sort of camera, Highline camera. You've got your moving guidelines that will show the trajectory of where you're going to end up on the screen. And you can also put your hand towards the main screen itself and just change the view. And the view now gives us a really nice, clean, wide angle. So if you were reversing out onto a busy road, you'd be able to see far left and far right, which is, again, awesome. You've got your optical parking sensors here. If they were beeping, we can mute them. And we could also, I think so. No, so you can mute them like so. And just press a button and that shuts them up. And then in here you've got the trajectory of where you're going as well. So if I was to pop it into drive, you'll find then as soon as the gesture control disappears, you've then got your moving guidelines for the front sensors like so, and you can just do that. Now if you go into parking, let's have a quick look. I think there's a few extra features and functions, so let's just go in. Let's have a quick look, wait for that to go off there. Let's get rid of that. No, it's not going to work for me today, so let's go back into reverse again. Wait for the control part of it to disappear, and then we're going to hit the 3 dots up on the screen, which I'll show you because you've got a few extra features. Oh, I don't know, maybe it's just me. There we go. Oh, I might just press the settings thing. Matter like this is a take 2. Anyway, so ordinarily there's 3 dots up here. I've just pressed the settings wheel, you know, there it is. But you've got maneuver braking, you've got park distance control settings, and we can go in here. You can turn on and off, activate automatically, and you've got your front and rear volume. Now also, this customer wanted the new panel so that you've got everything that you want just in front of you, because not every maneuver requires reverse gear. You can just press the park button here, camera comes on, and your parking sensors come on. So this is a Skoda Enyaq 5A, brand new, and we have fitted the genuine Skoda Highline reversing camera, the front optical parking sensor upgrade, and the control panel. If you've got a vehicle like this and you want some of these mod cons and genuine equipment fitted by us here down in Poole in Dorset, and you want 2 years warranty, then please get in touch with us. The website is www.advanced-incar.co.uk. Excuse me. Don't forget to follow us on social media. Don't forget to like, subscribe, tell your friends and family. And as per usual, thanks very much for watching. We will keep doing these videos so that you can watch, and don't forget to put your comments below. If you like or don't like, then let us know. Cheers, bye.